guys, thank you for tuning into my channel once again. This is Mayor Bizu from Mayor Bizu World. We talk about leadership, entrepreneurship, and business. And thank you for tuning in today. And today we are going to be talking on an interesting topic, a topic that has wowed people a lot, a topic dealing with your personal life, dealing with you, dealing with me too. And also we are talking about how to invest in your gift, talent, and abilities. How to invest in your gift, talent, and abilities. God has given us, especially when we're born, the time we're coming into life, we're born with our abilities. Yes, a bird is like a bird. A bird is born with the ability to fly. You can't see a bird. A bird who cannot fly is not a bird. So a bird, the day it was born with the ability to fly. The day a lion was born, a small cub, that's a lion cub, was born, he had the ability to roar. But you must invest in that gift. You must invest in that talent, in that ability for it to grow. And today I'll be giving you my top five tips on how to develop your talent, how to monetize it, and how to make it great. So number one is to identify your gift. It's for you to identify your gift. It's for you to identify your gift. Now, identifying your gift is one of the major things necessary in developing your gift. And it's for you to identify your gift. First of all, you need to know your purpose. What is your purpose in life? Because I got to understand that you will use your gift to achieve your purpose in life. Your gift is meant to achieve what your purpose is built for. That is why you need to have that gift. Michael Jackson had the gift of dancing. That is why he had to achieve the purpose of music in his career. So first of all, you need to know how to identify your gift, and one of the ways to identify your gift is knowing your purpose. What gift will solve your purpose, will develop your purpose, or will move your purpose to the next level? Your gift is very paramount for you to know. Gift is very paramount for you to know. Your gift makes you special. What makes you special is your gift, your talent, your abilities. So first of all, you need to invest on knowing your purpose. You need to invest on knowing your purpose. Number two I'll be giving is, what are you passionate about? Your passion produces your gift. Your passion produces your gift. Your passion produces. Until you know your passion, what drives you? What makes you move further? What do you think about most of the time? What can you do without them paying you? Some people they are passionate about acting. Their gift is being an actor. So today, I want you to invest on what is your gift. Your gift is powerful. Let me tell you the truth. In the Bible said, your gift will take you places. It introduces you to kings and queens. The reason why you are poor today is because you are not valuable in the society. And what can make you valuable is your gift. Your gift produces value. Your gift solves problems. Your gift turns the life of people around. That is what your gift is meant to do. What is your gift? What are you passionate about? Are you passionate about the governance in a country? That is what Martin Luther King had. He was passionate about black people. What was happening at the governance of black people? Are you passionate about children? Are you passionate about business? Are you passionate about women? When you are passionate about business, what do you want to invent? What do you want to create? Passion. Number two I'll be talking about here is training and practicing on your gift. You need to invest in what? Books that will make you develop your gift. Because like I said, a bird has the ability to fly, but it will not fly at that moment if it doesn't train. It has to fall, stand. It's like a baby too. A baby, before it start walking, it must fall and stand about some few times before it starts standing. So that is how your gift is. You need to practice. Practice makes what? Perfect. What you don't practice, you will lose it. You won't be able, you will just, it will be dormant in your body. So that is why I want you to practice on your gift. Your gift will take you places until you practice. Invest in books. Number one, how to practice and train for your gift is invest in books on your gift. That is why you see many pastors today, they don't read any other books than minister's book. If you are doing music, read books on music. If you are doing a business, read books on business. That will energize your gift. That will pump your gift for greatness. Number two is going for seminars and other conference about your gift. The last seminar I went to about my gift was Ubonkit seminar, which was Thinkation 2021. Yes, 2021. And it was a very 2020. Sorry, it was a very bright seminar. I had to go to that seminar to teach me about public speaking, to teach me about business. You must go to places that talks about your gift. The third thing I'll be telling you is invest in audio tapes. If you are moving on your, like Jim Rohn will say, let your motto be, or your car be, an education factor in your life. Buy audio tapes, download it from YouTube and play it in your car while going to work. Play it in your car while going to work, because let your car invest on audio tapes so that you can educate your mind always. Audio tapes about your gift. Audio tapes about your gift. Download audio tapes. Audio tapes will energize your thinking. Don't listen to music too much. Listen to audio tapes that will energize your thinking, that will move your gift to where it is to a greater level. I won't lie, I saw Michael Jackson's moonwalk, let's say in 1991, and I saw that same moonwalk in 1996. In 1996, I saw a great difference. I found out that he was practicing in his moonwalk. You can see it is on the internet. So you need to practice on your gift. It's very necessary. The third one I'll be talking about is making mistake and persistence. You are going to make mistake while training on your gift. You are going to make mistake while practicing on your gift. You are going to make mistake with people also because of your gift. But you have to persist. You have to what? Persist, because making mistake will make you perfect. Make mistake today and become perfect tomorrow. Practice on your gift. Make that mistake. Talk to people and be shy at the first stage. But you are training yourself. If you have to talk to 100 people, talk to 100 people. Start with 10 and be afraid. When you get to 20,000, you'll be strong. Train on your gift. The fourth one I'll be telling you about is allow yourself to grow. You need to let yourself grow in your gift. It is time. Allow yourself grow on your gift. When you allow yourself grow on your gift, you will see the results. Don't let everything to be tap. Don't want everything instant gratification. Allow time make things work. Practice and learn. Make mistake. Be persistent on what you want to do. And the last but not the least is having a mentor. There's nothing like having a mentor in your gift. Having a mentor on your gift. You are a pastor, you need to have a mentor that is a pastor. Have a mentor. Surround yourself around mentors that are in your gift. Be in an environment of your gift, because it energizes you. It energizes you. Your mentor will tell you not to follow this path. This is the path to follow. That is what your mentor will do. Have a mentor in your gift. That is why you see footballers, they have mentors that are footballers. You can't see a footballer having a mentor who is a musician. Have a mentor on your gift. I hope these principles enlighten you. Thank you for viewing this channel. This is Mayor Bizu from Mayor Bizu World. I want you to take this channel to the next level. I want you to subscribe, moving this channel to 1,000 subscribers in some few months. So let's get popping. More topics, more trainings are coming up. Thank you for tuning in. Mayor Bizu is stand for greatness. Greatness, we are greatness.